Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the essentials concrete: power, firmware, and placement. Plug the specified 12V adapter, then boot and check the device ID so your system recognizes EdgeHog. Once done, install or confirm firmware v2. 1 or later, and the companion driver. This prevents communication errors. Mount the unit on a stable surface and align the intake port with the expected airflow to ensure accurate readings. Make sure to secure the mount screws finger tight so nothing shifts during calibration. You now configure the device in the EdgeHog app and run the setup sequence. Select New Device and pick Calibration Mode, then set sampling rate to 100 Hz for responsive data and logging interval to 1 second so you capture transient events. Input thresholds based on your application and start the initial diagnostic. The app will report sensor drift or error codes. If the app flags drift, run the sensor re-zero routine. Once diagnostics pass, begin a short live test to validate readings. You finish by saving the configuration profile and enabling auto-updates so EdgeHog stays current. Start a 10-minute live run and compare outcomes with your baseline to confirm accuracy. If necessary, tweak offsets and retest. Make sure remote monitoring is active if you need alerts. If values seem unstable, first recheck wiring and connector seating, then run the recalibration routine and reboot the device. If problems persist, capture logs from the app and contact support with the device ID and log button.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.